Let's look at the top headlines first. Kuki militants shot dead, 1 PSF, 3 AR injured at Thinganphai in Chandel district. Committee on Tribal Union Chairman House gutted, 1 killed in mob. NEET UG examination held peacefully at 12 centers in Imphal. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. Hello and welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Suspected Kuki militants gunned down 1 BSF personnel and injured 3 Assam Rifles personnel in an encounter that took place around 4 a.m. today. The incident took place at Thinganphai in Chandel district. According to our reporter at the site, reported that according to a reliable source, some Kuki militants were loitering there and a combined team of BSF and Assam Rifles and Manipur Rifles rushed to the Manipur police rushed to the site. When the combined team reached there, the suspected Kuki militants opened fire. The combined team also retaliated. In the retaliation, 1 BSF personnel was killed and 3 Assam Rifles personnel injured. Our ELITETV editor talks with Langamba on the telephone. Here is a detailed conversation.
Sunu Kendragi, Manuchan Baduga, Chandel, district Taina Badagada, Kutuna Bada, BSMA, Legatevi Pausai, of Maduda, ELITETV, Paumi, video journalist Langamba, Langamba, Toto Sika, talks about no Lake the Mui Duka, Mina, the Uno, BSFki, Kanakana, Kutuna of the Lake, that would have 2 minutes of Tabu, Langamba.
Todo here, you see the Nawalam the Pung Makai, the whole pony. The whole Pachida BSF, Manipur police, CRPF, Amadi, Assam, Yauduna, Changi, Wanichang, Masida, Kuki militants, Capsule of the BSF, Amadi, Assam, like Sidaba, BSF, do the Mami, they landed Yadev Kawi, Maki, Mafagi Nina, Nahenda Yadev Kawi, Mahasi. West Bengal the Guinea, Adu Halna, Jiban Hospital, Chatoma City, Jiban Hospital will become the Lambida, don't like Diana, Poppy air. Aduga, Ujiki, Mafama Simak is that for me. Shadow Kunjasin, Mayu Mai Chapiva, the Cano, the Mbachanga. Moy Nitaru, the Mbachangi, the Mbachanga Sida, for me, Nitaru Sida, Mi Amadi, Fair, Aduga, Mi Maria Mana, Pahen, Sopahen, and Badagi, Hospital like a number of Graduga Mi Amanoji, Siduna, the Kanalabu Mapanga, Taduna lady. I do see the me, Sophie, me, as if happened the emergency over Mahati Manin, Lobang, Graduga, see when you do, Place Mega Kambuna, Polista, or people the give more.
langamba maruna thaudosi kadai jaga da thokpuno kari to no habu pan birakti kadai jaga da no sabchano ma bi kari mafam na thokhe bu thodok tu mafam du da lai habu ding si sanghilu bra kamaina to na jofam thambiro
do se ko ji ngang pai hai ga jaga si da ni ngang ba si ko ji tandel assembly ko ji challi sida koina tiga pai ji da ji khut thong na re bi se ma le tre asa ko hum chhe ha di koina jaga aduda jaga adu ki tang da kari kari thodong le ji ha na ji ma chong lu bani ye lo chong lu ba sida ji ki mate masa narang le ki da ba du koina ro ni koina ko di koina lista pau pi jara ga lising na ji ma ko na ba kana honare
thingthang kai pi pau si khoi mafam du da kuki militant sing lai le habu ki changhilu bra na tragana khoi makhoina ka pa horak para kamaina to ku thodong no mafam adu lai re na combined force changbra kamain to no ju thambiro
Jiki jaga sida khodi narang gi magistrate amadi kosopai da khogi Manipur police ka narang gi tara je makada kalmari hali paw masu leikra adu gi makata na jiki ke jingile sin si khogi sintamam gi sonda sintamam power ga jiki gang pa haiba jaga sida gang pa ja haiba jaga sida ko ki militation takhiba uba tankiba uba dagi Manipur police BSCR pia amadi asama pal changduna marang zu phagi combing operation to bojida moi khasal kibani hana paw piri
makata ba ji makata na khoi mafam du da khoi khuthong na bagi thodok lai di bra na tagana kadam film de lai ri langamba
project se makata na kapna ba ho padi ki press media gi kambu ju asama pal na changdira no na thine asama ho na kan tore a adagi de jaga sida koi na photocopy kan jo pagi kamna ba ho pagi ro mami su uba phang ka amna ba ho pagi koi mayam press media kambu jo koi thupi ro na ha koi koi ji thokchara ga serau thong da koi phiro masi kama kamaina to ri ge na lap na yin
thagat sri langamba yamna chesine lebiu nga ba update maruna ji kha pana haiba tai koi serau da leiriba sidaida koi kuki militant singa combined force ka adumba kuthongna bagi thodok reporting tongna ba duga cover tongna ba leiriba koi ki langamani thank you langamba makata wa paulo jage
thank you sir.
Amid the news of reopening the national highway for 7 days, furious mob destroyed the houses of president of COTU, one killed in the mob. The incident took place at Sapar Raminya yesterday. The two leaders of Sadar Hills district houses were attacked by furious people. The COTU's chairman's house located at Sapar Maina was burned down, and the convener of COTU's house at Gamkifai village was also destroyed by the furious people. The news of reopening National Highway NH2 for 7 days was declared by the leaders. Thereafter, the angry people, combined with suspected highway protection Kuki militants, started burning and destroying. The leader of Kuki National Front P, husband of a minister, one tried to put an end. The chaos continued. The leader of KNFP started firing. One person died during the gunfire. After controlling the situation, the last rites of the person that died in the mob was performed, the sources added. Curfew has been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Imphal East, West and Bishnupur district today after separate orders of district magistrates. Markets and shops were open. People were seen rushing to the markets and shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. The NEET examination 2023, scheduled on May 7th, was postponed for a month as a result of the ongoing restive situation and was scheduled for today, June 6th, 2023. There were 12 examination centers in Imphal West and 10 centers in Imphal East, and a total of 6,837 students that appeared for the examinations. The examinations started from 12 noon and will end at 3:20 p.m. in the afternoon. The candidates arrived at the examination centers 3 hours prior to the examination commencement. The NEET examinations were conducted under tight security. In view of the communal clash that started on 3rd May, on May 4th, a 17-year-old boy Tangjambungo from Moirang Oksungbung Lekai was injured by a gunshot at the clash. that took place in Fausakhai, Ikhai, and on May 24th, Lechomam Manoj from Moirang, Ngangkalawai was grievously injured in the clash that took place in Tera Khongsang Bay. They were under treatment in RIMS Surgical Ward. DC Bishnupur, in association with KG Moirang Kendra Apunbalup Kemkal, donated cash for their treatment. Kemkal President Fairimbam Raju Mitei stated that the Kuki militants seem to be targeting the majority Mitei community in the bid to extinguish the entire community. He appealed to the central as well as the state government to act swiftly and bring back peace and normalcy in the state and punish the guilty for their crime.
Lakchariba asi akoigi hojiki presently situation sida akoigi naharon akoigi nungsiraba inaw ani gi damakta sokhiba dugi damakta mateng pangba lakchabani makoi ani si hajik RIMS hospital da admit tawduna laidi yamna sathiraba phibam amada aduna akoi Kemkal gi site gi amadi Bishnupur district ki DC gi tarapta gi angamba mateng khara akoigi Sokturna Lairaba, Akoigi Tauna Paraba, Inaupa, Anisi Damakta, Akoina, Mateng Pangjaba, Laksabani, Masigi Damakta, Akoi, Apilamba Togzage, Hojik Tariba, Irangasi, Akoi, Koki Naharon Singna, Akoigi, Maitagi, Mayokta, Akanba, Hongjang Changsilibisi, Akoi, Yamna, Chawna Kandem Togzari, Masida, Sarkanasu, being Changsimbinaba, State Government, Abadi, Akoigi, Central Government is Saitagisu. Munna Tijan Biraga, Sig Asumaran, Wayan Binaba, Akogi Kemkalgi Saitagisu, Wakachari.
On the other hand, Thangjam Bungo's father stated that these communal clashes have ruined the lives of thousands. The central and state government must act sternly and quickly, at the same time thank Kemkal and DC Bishnupur for helping the injured.
Tang Marida Panbani, the Pukatana lying and the Nomusil Koyadabagi, Masi disaster Roga, Musalure, Musaluraga, Akoisha Adagi, Sida Lao, Sik, Tamale Lao, Havasida Koina, Matam the Garisian Bagi, Amata Tadana, financial conditions of Fatavanina, Mangasi, Lapiriva, Kemkal, Koishina, Kangusingina, Sinbidana, Angangasi, Koyi. Indian Army side ki dagi mateng khara lawraga ambulance ama thabirakna khoi Kemkal kangu singina chebiraga makoi nangang se pukhalaga RIMS ta admit tawjare 26 ta
khoi ji gi hariba merikong khun gi nakal ji da khoi meitai gi yum ama lei moina mai thaba che get haudore haibadi gi khoi parja mayam je kanba chakpane ba adu moina ji hariba chu kangu sina ikoi da blank fair tor kone ba blank fair tor ko di koi che ngamdadna khoi chelak ko je ji hariba yam ma che pan mane ba adu pan ma tamda ai ji changsan ma tamda moi koi army kangu le army kangu je su kangu ji thang na le ba lep tang phil amani chang lem na ga moi ga ya ma je tar le bi moi je kan bi khol le tre ba noi chalo jaw hai ba aina kai gi jatuni ya ma je bukhat ta yadra khotra hai ma tamda moi na support ta wi de ba adi su kangu du su le re adu moi su kangu du su le re army su le re ai su le re moi nong mai kai kam na dre Ada ini yam je pokhola lakpa ma kan da ai je Moirang hospital da pure aduga December dong pure du RIMS yore aduga ma se karai kai pan ni yang kan aina mai pukta ma palame adi mathang da phaigal da ma palame adi mathang da khubom da palame adi ma se ai je kap law tawre adi ai je pai da lemak da ai je moyam da je changhandre nang keno tawre khole habidi ai je de haju aina haijaning badi akoi kege Moirang na su koi ngamba ji le chomam mano se mateng pangbirei ji pali ba sakar sina su kitang mieng changhaningi ji soiba kholiba mayam che mieng kitang changhaningi.
A press release issued by the Water Resource Department has informed that in view of the ongoing issue currently prevailing in the state, the submission of application form for direct recruitment for engagement/appointment to junior engineer grade 1 and 2 civil on contractual basis is in the department has been postponed until further order. Apple's first ever mixed reality headset Vision Pro price will start from $3,499 in the US. Apple Vision Pro will be available early next year in the US, with more countries coming later next year, Apple said. The device allows users to interact with digital content in a way that feels like it is physically present in their space. Stay tuned, we'll be back after a short break.
Babina Diagnostics, Manipurda ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoida linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharatda yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pakna pangthokli. Wana honajaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mateng pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam ama khangjana bagi khudom chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semdona angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chana ba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oirakna ba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thi ba haibasi arriba dinate adubu iborgedi thoina nungsa thingai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna sacha khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikhoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwalambe lamada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. Ahead of PM Narendra Modi's state visit, the US has said India is a vibrant democracy. Anybody that you know happens to go to New Delhi can see that for themselves. Commenting on PM Modi's visit, the US said, but this visit is really about advancing what is now and what we hope will be a deeper, stronger friendship going forward. American chip maker Intel Corporation is offering 35 million shares of Class A common stock, or around $1.5 billion stake in Mobileye Global. After the offering, Intel's voting share in the Israel-based automated driving technology maker will come down to about 98.7% from 99.3%. Mobileye, whose customers include BMW, Nissan and Volkswagen, listed on Nasdaq last year. Apple on Monday unveiled the new Mac Pro with M2 Ultra chip, which is dubbed as the most powerful chip for a personal computer. The price of the new Mac Pro starts at $6,999. The new Mac Pro will be up to 3 times faster than the fastest Intel-based Mac Pro. It will support up to 6 Pro Display XDRs. SpaceX on Monday launched a Falcon 9 rocket to deliver more than 3,100 kgs of science supplies and provisions to the International Space Station ISS. This is SpaceX's 28th cargo mission to ISS for NASA. The Dragon spacecraft atop the Falcon 9 rocket will dock with the space station on Tuesday after completing almost an 18-hour journey. Venture capital firm Lightspeed India's partner Rahul Taneja said there's no better time than now to invest in India despite some investors scaling down their investments. We're not bothered by cycles, Taneja stated, adding that Lightspeed is very bullish about the Indian ecosystem's future. The country is still in the very early stage of its digital transformation, he stated. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's look at the top headlines once again. Kuki militants shot dead, 1 BSF, 3 AR injured at Thinkanthwai in Chandel district. Committee on Tribal Union Chairman's house gutted, 1 killed in mob. NEET UG examination held peacefully at 12 centers in Imphal. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. That's all for now. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.